Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will solve some important questions of analogy topic which is very important for competitive exams. So let's start today's class. So first question is D multiply H ratio 4 multiply 8 as M multiply Q ratio what? So as we know that D is placed at 4th position while writing English alphabet and H is placed at 8th place. Then M is placed at what place in the English alphabets? 13 place. And Q is placed at 17 place. So option number D is correct. Next question, bank ratio money proportion transport ratio what? As we know that money is transferred from one account to another account in the banks and goods are transferred by using the means of transport. So the answer D is correct. Next question, cells ratio tissues proportion atoms related to what? As we know that cells constitute tissues and atoms constitute what? Molecules. So option number C is correct. Next question, court ratio justice proportion school ratio what? As we know that court is a place where justice is given and school is a place where education is given. So option number A is correct. Next question, pulp ratio paper proportion hemp ratio what? As we know that pulp is a basic raw material used to produce the paper for the manufacturing of paper and hemp is used to make what? Hemp is used to make ropes. So D option is correct. Next question, physician ratio treatment proportion judge ratio what? As we know that physician is a doctor who do treatment of patients and judge do judgment in the court. So option number C is correct. क्योंकि जज क्या करता है? जजमेंट ही करता है कोर्ट्स में एंड फिजिशियन क्या करता है? ट्रीटमेंट करता है पेशेंट्स की. क्लियर? सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी जो है वो करेक्ट आंसर होगा. Next question, leather ratio cobbler proportion wood ratio what? As we know that leather is used by cobblers to make shoes and wood is used by whom? Carpenter to make the furnitures. So option number B is correct. Next question, cricket ratio pitch proportion skating ratio what? As we know that pitch is a place where cricket is played and skating is played where? In the rink. So option number D is correct. Next question, heart is related to blood in the same way lung is related to what? As we know that heart is the organ which deals with pumping and flow of blood. यानी कि जो भी खून का जो भी pumping है flow है उसको कौन मेजर करता है, उसको कौन कंट्रोल करता है? हार्ट. एंड लंग्स क्या करते हैं? लंग्स डील्स विद द स्टोरेज एंड फ्लो ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट. Next question, captain is related to soldier in the same way leader is related to what? As we know that captain lead soldiers and leaders lead whom? Followers. So option number C is correct. Next question, fish is related to water in the same way bird is related to whom? As we know that fish swim in water and bird flies in sky. So option number D is correct. Next question, success is to failure as big is to what? As we know that success is the opposite of failure, that is antonium of failure. So big का antonium क्या होगा? Small. So option number A is correct. Next question, vendor is related to buyer in the same way consultant is related to whom? As we know that buyer is a source of income for vendor, same as consultant के लिए source of income कौन होगा? Client is a source of income for consultant. So option number C is correct. Next question, save is related to rescue in the same way severe is related to whom? As we know that save and rescue are synonyms of each other and severe का synonym क्या होगा? Stern. So stern is a synonym of severe. So option number C is correct. Next question, horse ratio jockey proportion car ratio what? As we know that horse is driven by jockey. jockey कौन होता है? घुड़दौड़ का सवार यानी कि घोड़े को दौड़ाने वाले को हम बोलते हैं jockey. And car is driven by whom? car is driven by chauffeur. chauffeur is whom? driver. driver को ही हम chauffeur बोलते हैं. So option number C is correct. So guys, we have completed some important question of analogy topic. I have also completed series of questions of some other topics of reasoning also on our YouTube channel. You can check the playlist of such topics. If you like our video content, then please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and provide support to me. Help me to reach 1K subscribers. Thank you so much.